see you brought it back to partnerships there. We mentioned briefly Continental. You've also got a partnership with Apollo Tyres. Could you talk a little bit about how those partnerships are progressing?
Yeah, I think so. With Continental, they are one of our very first off takers, and they really helped guide us through the process. It was Continental that really helped us learn about what a true quality management system is, and how do we create the same consistent material that's high quality, not just today or tomorrow, but the next year and the year after. How do we make it consistent every day? And so Continental is really a very important piece to kind of mentoring our team. And the Continental team worked very closely with Ankita, our technical and quality lead here. And so I think we learned quite a lot about how to fit into the tire industry through them. And so with Apollo, they've also been able to, I have to give credit to our Tyromer India team, who's done a great job working closely with them, engaging with Apollo, meeting with them locally. And we actually have Apollo also has a facility in Europe and Hungary that we've been supplying to. So I think that if we can continue up to show that, basically we're at the point now we need to show a little bit more global footprint. So a little bit of a larger infrastructure, a larger footprint, a few more facilities out there to help these manufacturers get material wherever they need it. So I think that we've learned a lot from both of those organizations. Apollo also helped a lot in getting our Tyromer India facility up and running. So I do want to give them a lot of credit and acknowledgement for that, because we absolutely appreciated it. And I think that type of relationship is something that we would like to establish with more tire manufacturers, where, we work a little more closely together. We have a little bit more engagement. It's a little bit more work, but at the end of the day, both parties feel more comfortable with each other, and we find a solution that works for the industry.